You know, it really feels that the Chidima topic is not ending, at least not anytime soon. The heat just resurfaced as Swips attacked Tyla for defending Chidima. So let us talk about that and more in this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. Hey guys, if it's Mzansi celebrities being attacked for defending Chidima, it's Nigeria inviting her to their beauty pageant. Now, no one expected what happened recently. Our very own national treasure Tyla is being attacked as well. Guys, I thought we all loved Tyla, and since she's representing us well as a country, I thought she'd be an exception. I'm now learning that no one is safe. It's either you stand with South Africa or you stand with Chidima. There's no in between, because honestly, Tyla's tweet is not that offensive. I don't really think she meant any harm, but I'll put it here on the screen so that you guys can be the judges. So, Tyla retweeted a letter from Miss Nigerian's pageant that invited Chidima to take part in their national pageant. And I'm certain that you guys have seen that already, so there's no need for me to read it here. So, Tyla replied on that tweet, and her reply was, "I'm disappointed that this happened to her, but I wish you all the best, girl. Kill it." Yo! People came for her in the comment section for tweeting that. She then posted another tweet to try and defend her tweet. And in her defense, she wrote, "I will always stand with South Africa. I just feel regardless of the opinions, she was bullied." And yo, that post felt like fuel in fire. And as you might expect, the first comment came from Prince Excel. And here it is. One Grammy Award Nyan, and you think your voice matters. And if you think that is violent, wait for the next comment. The next comment says, "When we supported you when Nigerians bullied you, we supported you when Americans bullied you about your identity crisis. We supported you when you stole Bacardi, and we supported Nomtulo Wako Betayo. And this is how you thank us?" Guys, Chris Excel is a mean person. Yo! And that is not the only comment. There are plenty of comments on that post. And like they did with DJ Sbus, Mizi, Lerato Kayako, and Pel Tusi, they're threatening to cancel Tyla. Imagine. I don't know guys, but when looking at Tyla's post, I don't think she meant any harm, you know? She was just tweeting because she was congratulating Chidima for getting another opportunity. And besides, she never said anything back when we were complaining about Chidima being on Miss SA. But hey, let me just keep quiet before I get myself into trouble. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about this topic? And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.